Good morning to my partners. My name is Jose Castillo, and this is the presentation of the summary of my story. This presentation is for the subject Intermediate English 2. Okay, let's start. What can I say about my special event of my life? Okay, let's start with that. I remember when I traveled to Cartagena for the first time. I went to visit my family. And this was a gift because my parents gave me that gift for my graduation of the elementary school. Okay? We went to Cartagena, but we had some problem. For example, when we travel by bus, we had three traffic jams. For example, the first was in Santa Rosa de Osos, in front of the bus stop. Okay, and I remember we delayed more or less 2 or 3 hours because there were the traffic jam. Okay, we advanced. We stopped again in Valdivia because there was a problem with a car, and we delayed also another hours. Finally, in Caucasia, there were a crash a car, and there was a problem because with the warm weather we have a heat, and I was thirsty, and I needed a lot of water. But finally we arrived to the Cartagena terminal bus stop, and with my family we went to visit to my other family. For example, I played a lot with my cousins, for example, and they are my cousins, my older cousins. This cousin is Christian, and this cousin is Alex Javier. And with that cousins we played a lot, and we were very naughty. We make a lot of jokes when we play. We laugh, but the problem they must to go to work, and therefore I went with younger cousins. This is younger cousins. Her name is Roger, Sebastian, and we went to the beach. And as you can say, I took some photos. For example, I should take advantage about it. In this photo, I was in a stone's wall, and I take some photos, but I want to show that only that. Because when I remember when I took that photo, the lifeguard have shielded me. He told me that it is forbidden for all the tourists. And therefore I went to here where I take the photo. I enjoy about the sea, the beach, and with my younger cousins we made a lot of sand castles, and we play with the sand. In other days, when we took advantage for visiting the most important touristic places in Cartagena, because Cartagena is one of the best places for visiting in Colombia, and I was here. I visited some places like, for example, the clock tower and the India Catalina statue. And for me it was very special because this very historical heritage, and I wanted to take advantage for taking photos about that. And we spent a lot of time in Cartagena. We delayed between 1 week and a day. And finally, this is a video where I was asleep, and my parents took advantage for taking me a photo for me, a video, and I show you that video. You can watch. You can see I was sleeping so nice, but they have made me that joke. And this is all. Thank you to everybody.